Hi, my name is Antoine and this is my Snowflake demo. First, we need to log in to Snowflake and enter all the information required as shown here. Since Snowflake requires a cloud-based platform to operate, we will choose Amazon Web Service since that's the one that I'm familiar with. So what we're trying to do here is create some new database to test it out. Here I'm just going to name it test DB, and then we can also make some comments to it. After that, Snowflake will create a dataset for us. We can also modify it and see some of the information. You see here I'm trying to edit the comments. Once we go inside, we can see small information such as schemas or edit privileges to the database. For schema here, they already give us some example schema or auto-generated schema, or we can create our new schema, similar to how we create the database. Very simple. I'm just going to use the one that was given to us, which is the public schema, to demonstrate Snowflake. In here, we can create our own new tables. Usually, we can import from files like CSV, JSON, those kind of files. Demonstrating by uploading unstructured file JSON to show that Snowflake has the capability to handle this type of data. Also, we can choose different database to create this table. You see the files being generated. And we can see that the type and everything is correctly formatted. Now I export the table and the table has been made very simple. So for warehousing, we can kind of manage them similar to how we manage database, create new, and those kind of things. Here I'm demonstrating suspended, which means to stop the database to save on cost because I don't want to keep it running. We can also change the size of database, although it would be more expensive to increase, so we will just not do it for now. We can also edit the database for that purposes. So now we can do account management. In here, we can see that we can manage variables information about our accounts, including the cloud servers or the regions. This is the part where we actually play with the database. As you can see here, I'm already crafted up some demos, queries using the given table from Snowflake, which is a TCHSF. As you can see, it's running. You can also some more complex queries using inner join and group by. It's pretty fast. They also have the capability of generating some chart first based on the informations, some metadatas. Not only that, but you can also see the speed, like how fast is the query is running. Some more metadata about the table. You can also sort right on the result and not needed to use the queries. Now we demonstrate with running this query but different warehousing size. Now this is our initial run with the current warehouse. The speed is 2.1 milliseconds. Now we change to a larger warehouse to see if there's any improvement in terms of performance. As you can see, it's only take 1.4 seconds now, so it's much faster than before. So there is a boost in performance. If you use larger database or larger data set, it will show more increase in terms of performance with larger warehouse. Snowflake also provides some data for us. Here I'm using the worldwide address data to see some of the informations. What is also interesting is that Snowflake can perform some basic ML training tasks for us. Here I'm using the train set from the JSON file that I uploaded earlier to demonstrate database creations. This information was taken from Kaggle's. So the dataset was taken from Kaggle's. And you can see here I'm uploading the train dataset as well as the test dataset, choosing my target variables and my independent variables. Here it's just configuring, and we have this auto-generated code that would train the table for us, train the data for us. You see here the result been shown. They also create a JSON file or the result file to show the result of the testing. So this is our category predictions or classifications based on the train data of the test set. This is a test result, by the way. The prediction is what what Snowflake model predicts. And that's all. Thank you very much for listening.